If we talk about pharmacological treatment of cough, the drugs that are used for treatment of cough include codeine, dextromethorphan, benzonase, guaifenesin, and acetylcysteine. Codeine is derivative of opiates. Dextromethorphan is derivative of synthetic morphine. These two drugs act centrally, means they decrease the sensitivity of cough center that is present in the central nervous system. These two drugs are used for treatment of dry cough. If we talk about their side effects, these drugs increase the risk of addiction, increase fatigue and dysphoria. Those patients who have history of opiates or morphine addiction, we will not use these two agents for treatment of cough. If we talk about benzonase does not act centrally like codeine and dextromethorphan. It acts peripherally. It suppresses the cough reflex by anesthetizing the stretch receptor that are present on lungs, airways, and pleura. Benzonase used for dry cough and it can be used in those patients who have opiates and dextromethorphan addiction history. If we talk about guaifenesin is actually expectorant, means it stimulates the mucus gland, increase the volume of mucus from that gland and decrease the viscosity of mucus which lead to easy expectoration. It is used in productive cough when the mucus is very thick and very viscous. Acetylcysteine can be used for treatment of cough. It is mucolytic agent. It is used in those patients who have productive cough and very thick and viscous mucus. It actually breaks the bonds that is present between mucus molecules and increase the production of surfactant from alveolar cells that are present in the alveoli or that are present in the respiratory airways and decrease the stickiness of the mucus and lead to easy expectoration. उम्मीद है आपको बेहतरीन समझ आई होगी. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.